Okay, today we're going to be showing how to sharpen a mower blade. Now, anyone that's watched this channel knows that I got this little Smith's sharpener tool thing, and I constantly, put it in my vise and then go like that for a while, and it eventually gets a little sharp, but I'm kind of tired of doing that. Alright, so when sharpening a lawnmower blade, you want to hold the blade at the right angle that would get it sharpened. So just use whatever angle is already on the blade to try to get a feel for how to line it up. Okay? And once you feel that you have it to the right angle, well, we're going to go ahead and move this one out of the way a little bit, because this one's kind of in my way. But once you feel you have it, go ahead and turn your grinder on. But like, the most important thing though is to get that angle right. So, I mean, get in there and look at it to try to get that angle correct. I'll look at it from several different sides, several different angles, just to make sure that it looks like you're holding it correctly and not going too far. And then once you're comfortable with it, you just turn your grinder on, and then just going to go ahead and get in there. Of course, you want to wait for it to get up to speed, but I'm just playing right now. There we go. Now we're up to speed. And then you check the blade to make sure you're getting a decent edge on it. It's not perfect. It's not perfect at all. But we're going to go ahead and run it through the other way just to take some of those things off. That way she's sharp. Not perfect. Not perfect at all by any means. But as far as getting it figured out, there we go. Got the burrs off. Not perfect again, like I said. But like with most things, it don't have to be 100% perfect. Now we're going to turn that off for a second, just so I don't have to scream. And pardon the mess out here. This is a garage, guys. You're going to take your vise. You're going to open her up to the width of your of the screwdriver, or something that has a rod. And you want to get her in there mostly level. Don't over tighten her, because you know. But we're going to check the balance of the blade. That way we know which side we got to take more off of. I'm going to say this side we got to take more off of. So you're just going to set her on there. Huh. Okay. Would you look at that? She's balanced. So I don't have to balance it because it's already balanced. Huh. That's shocking. I think it's the first time I've ever balanced one so close. Normally, you know, one side weighs down the other, you know, would hang down further. But as you can see, this is balanced, which is what you want. You want it to be the same on both sides. That was a little off kilter there. Just get you to stop swinging. But the side that hangs down is the heavier side, and boy, it looks like it's perfect balanced. That way, it doesn't cause wear and tear on your mower. But she's balanced good and far good enough. I've seen way worse jobs from professionals. So we're gonna go ahead and put her back on the mower.